It's me, Aubrey, and today I'm here with
KCH 1000! Woo woo! Bam, 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 bam.
literally making my ears bleed. Anyways, today's pretty sad because I got hacked again last night after the live stream, and I lost all my items except for these Gucci flip-flops.
Guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? So I texted Austin and me about this off, okay?
And she actually reported AJHQ about the stuff that's been going on. And I might be getting my stuff back.
Maybe, possibly, I'm not sure though. She never said anything that you would get your stuff back, but she did tell me that they're permanently banned forever. Okay, now time for my gift.
Wait, what?
Now time for my gift. There you go, enjoy it.
Okay then? It didn't even pop up. Oh, there we go. Now it did.
Enjoy it. Close your eyes.
And 3, 2, 1. Thank you. You're so nice.
No problem.
You're so nice. I give you a hug and Animal Jam. I give you hugs. I give you huggies. We now hug. Alright. I hugged an Animal Jam. Anyways, yeah, if you guys could please donate to me. I barely have any items left, except for what Casey just gave me. That was pretty awesome. and at least all in the end, I got my Gucci reindeer flip-flops. Well, they're not flip-flops, but I like calling them flip-flops. Anyways, that's all it's gonna do today, peoples. I am sorry for playing the sad music. It might have made you cry, but I don't care. And by the way, I dare you to try and search up this username. It won't pop up. It's banned. Yee. Anyways, that's all it's gonna do for today now. Goodbye, my little TVs, and peace out.